I'm Rana. I'm an educator at the North Carolina Aquarium on Roanoke Island, and this is a lesson in our Tides They Are Changing series. My question to you is, how does climate change affect our tides? The short answer, climate change is affecting our tides, but we can work together to slow this problem. Let me explain what's going on. When we use fossil fuels to power our cars and create electricity, we release excess carbon dioxide, called rampant carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere. This extra CO2 creates a heat-trapping blanket that is warming our Earth beyond what is normal atmosphere. This extra heat melts glaciers on land on both poles, which causes our sea levels to rise, making our high tides even higher. Our beaches are built to adjust to higher sea levels by moving off and onshore, but the houses and roads we rely on are hard to move. On sandy barrier islands, like the Outer Banks, the ocean water moves under our islands, which causes a bubble of fresh water floating on the top to rise, flooding our yards and streets after a rain. And the sound side is also affected. Scientists are discovering that salt water is moving further into the sounds, killing trees and marshlands, as well as eroding the peat-filled soils these plants need. What can we do? We can adapt to rising seas by building our houses and roads higher. We can plant trees and shrubs which can tolerate wet conditions and help pull water out of the ground. We can also watch our energy use. Unplug your charging cables when your electronics are charged. Walk or ride a bike when you can. And tell others what you are doing to make a difference. Well, that's it on this lesson on how climate change affects our tides. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you'll tell somebody about what you learned today. See you next time.